Deepgram is making waves in the speech-to-text API space, but does it live up to the hype? With so many options available, I dove into Deepgram to see if it truly offers the accuracy and features users need. Deepgram is a speech-to-text API that leverages advanced machine learning to transcribe audio into text. At its core, it's designed for developers and businesses needing reliable transcription services for various applications, from voice assistants to customer service interactions. The user experience is fairly straightforward, with clear documentation that guides you through the setup process. One standout feature is its real-time transcription capability, which is crucial for applications requiring instant feedback. Moreover, Deepgram supports multiple languages and offers customization options for different industries, which is a nice touch. However, while the interface is user-friendly, some users might find the range of features a bit overwhelming, especially if they are new to API integrations. What's less clear is the pricing structure, which isn't as transparent as it could be. It's important to understand how costs scale with usage, especially for high-volume applications. Starting with the pros, Deepgram offers impressive accuracy, especially in noisy environments, which is a big win for real-world applications. The real-time transcription is also a major plus, and the ability to customize models for specific vocabularies can really enhance performance. On the flip side, some users might find the learning curve steep if they're not familiar with APIs. Additionally, the lack of clear pricing details can be frustrating for potential users trying to budget their projects. Trust signals are also somewhat limited. While the tech seems solid, it would be reassuring to see more user testimonials or case studies. Overall, while Deepgram shines in certain areas, it may not be the best fit for every user, particularly those looking for a straightforward, no-fuss solution. In conclusion, Deepgram is worth considering if you need a robust speech-to-text API with strong accuracy and real-time capabilities. However, if you prefer simplicity or need clearer pricing, you might want to explore other options. It's a solid choice for tech-savvy users, but there are alternatives that could better suit those new to this space.